Hey, this guy seems to be doing something interesting. Hola, amigos. ¿Qué estás haciendo?
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Soy artesano y hago artesanías inspiradas en pájaros, en aves. Pongo los colores con hilos encerados brasileros. Lo hago a mano y llevo más o menos 16 años tejiendo estas pulseritas
Oh.
inspiradas en aves.
Oh, wow.
Como esta y como esta.
Oh, wow. Amazing. So what he's saying is he gets inspired by real birds. Can I see that? So this is a multicolored tanager. And looking at this, he's inspired to make these bands, wristbands. And they sell these wristbands. So it's inspired from nature. This is the female of the multicolored tanager. And he's actually looking at, oh, this is the barbet, the female of the barbet. He's actually looking at the multicolored tanager and making the wristbands. So this is how he makes it. Gracias.
No, a ti,
Muchas gracias.
a ti.
Interestingly, while I was learning about this, I figured Diego is actually a very popular actor in Colombia. Diego,
Gracias.
follow him, guys. Check him out. Diego Garzon. I'll tag him. He's also a collaborator of this reel.